Such a wonderful day outside in British Columbia. I'm with the cousin today. I'm really late getting this vlog going. So it's good afternoon, guys. Anyways, cue intro. Sun is actually shining. I didn't think we ever saw the sun here.
Normally just rain.
Rain.
You live in the rainforest of BC, that would be Vancouver.
I like living in the igloos of Ontario more than the rainforest. Maybe if I stay here, I'll just live in the mountains.
Sure.
Like one of those wild people.
Yeah, you can do that.
I'll live like Tarzan. Oh, I need to work on
Your call?
my call. Eddie. He's in the zone. Oh, there he is. Good morning, guys. Hi. Going on the dike? Oh boy. Barely contain his excitement. Internet, no matter what you ever do in your entire life, do not eat icebreaker sour after you brush your teeth.
Seriously.
It's the most fucking disgusting thing I've ever seen. I've ever tasted. I'm tired. Oh, it's disgusting. Ew. So.
Never leave the house.
Doesn't happen very often.
Never leave the house without an umbrella and sunglasses. Because in one day you can have all 4 seasons.
Yeah, it's kind of nice out. See, internet, we got like summer day over here, and then if you look over to the mountains, we got winter, and if you look over there, we got fucking rain. And over there. Guys, there is an eagle, a bald eagle, up in the tree. I'm gonna get closer and then I'll zoom in.
Last year we could watch them from
Oh, there's another one? He has a friend?
Yeah, that's their nest right there.
Oh. Do they stay partners for life? Internet, do bald eagles keep the same partner for their entire life? Because I know like loons and stuff do, but don't know if eagles do.
Where's the other one?
I don't know, I didn't see the other one. I just saw, what should we name him? I name everything. Let's name him, well, I don't know if that's a boy or a girl. What's the name that goes for both?
Ryan.
Ryan. Let's name him Ryan, and the other one, Shaniqua. Shaniqua and Ryan. I wanna go up to the mountains.
I don't have snow. Oh, poof!
That's what I call a pile of shit. That ain't even dog shit, that's horse shit. That's a bad joke. Oh, I want to throw a walk in the water. Wasn't that like one of your most favoriteest things to do when you were a kid?
Nah, jumping in puddles is mine.
Jumping in puddles and like climbing through like giant culverts? Oh yeah. Back in the day when there wasn't, the population of the world wasn't pedophiles and murderers and shit like that. The good old days.
And polluted water?
Yeah. And makes your skin turn green. The good old days. That's a really cool driftwood. It's like a log came up from the earth.
It's a stump upside down.
Oh, there's a rock all the way over there to the pit lake. Without dropping you. It's gonna be interesting.
And or the dog going after it.
Close.
Ryan's watching you.
Is that? Yeah, that one's Ryan. Ryan, where's Shaniqua? Pretty sure those people think I'm insane. That was my eagle call, by the way, internet. It's like a mix between a constipated donkey and a turkey. So, donkey and a turkey. It's a turkey. You do if you run into a bear in the area. Remain calm, do not run, back away slowly, never approach a bear, and never feed a bear. There you go. So if you see a wild bear, don't like walk up to it and give it cuddles. Even though you saw the Care Bears and they looked all cute and cuddly, this is a completely different situation. Remember, they are more scared of you than you are of them, most of the time. Unless they're hungry. Then you're fucked. And if you do run away in a zigzag. Because bears aren't as fast if they have to turn.
Who taught you that one?
I don't know. Just kind of came into my mind. And then again, neither are people. People aren't really that fast if they have to turn. Just don't do that. Just run. Hope for the best. So this is what a gas station lineup looks like in wherever we are, Vancouver.
I wouldn't have no kind of love.
You can't see them, but like they go on forever and ever. Even over the mountains into whatever the next province is over the mountains. It's crazy. And we're still going up that way. If you know the name of the CD, comment in the box. Just wait and listen. It's a couple minutes. Comment in the box, and then I'll give you the answer at the end of the vlog.
And or the show that it's from.
Yeah, and the show that it's from. Yeah, and or. So if you either know the show, recognize the voices, or if you know the actual album, comment in the box. We are on our way to Pit Lake. Yeah, Pit Lake, because we're gonna go look at some snow. That's really close to the mountains. Because I'm in Canada, I've never seen snow before in my entire life. So this is a new experience for me. Yeah, it's the only snow that we get in BC. Normally, if I was in Ontario right now, it's about minus 45, and I think we have about 3.5 feet of snow. Well, I'm doing pretty good with that. Is that what they're called? People that film in movies or help with filming in movies, are they called cinematographers? I'm asking you guys a lot of questions today. I need help today. That's a very nice house.
I think you're just my style.
Random biker.
Everywhere I go, telling everyone I know, baby, I love to see you smile.
Oh, I almost said that guy's name, but I didn't because I'm vlogging. You guys still have to figure it out. Oh.
We sell so much of this, people wonder what we put in it. Well, we're going to tell you right now.
The show?
That's it.
I don't know how you can't recognize it. It's like a signature voice to the series.
I feel like I got a few things off my chest and onto the chests of my inferiors. You did.
This land is like actually flat, like it's a flat stretch. It's a flat stretch in BC. You barely see those. It's full of idiots. Just look at all these fools. Oops.
I call them boobs.
Oops. Don't worry that shit. Shut the fuck up. It's so amazing and beautiful. All the snow. Let's climb it.
We haven't even hit Pit Lake yet.
Yeah, I know. Let's climb it.
No.
Okay. Internet. Jazz is gonna stay here, and me and you guys are gonna climb a mountain. That one. That's what you expect.
What about that one back there?
Ooh, that one has more snow on it. Maybe we'll go climb that one. I know I say that one, and then there's about 20 other mountains right there, but that one. trees here. When we came here in the summer, when I first got here, there was like cars all the way to like Vancouver and back. Not quite that many cars, but there's
Pretty much all the way down that big stretch of road that we were
everywhere. And where? Oh my gosh! The road that we just drove down, this parking lot was full, and then that entire road that we just drove down was full of cars. So we came down and we were like, maybe there's a parking spot. And then we got here and then it was just like cars on top of cars. And we were like, nope. And then we went home. There you go. Now you know a story.
Now you get to see it.
Now you know.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, little cars. Take a big fresh air. Breathe in the fresh air. That didn't make sense. Take a big waft of the fresh air, internet. So relaxing and peaceful. If you listen and I shut up, you can't even hear a car. Except for that one that's coming down the road. Look at this, internet. Oh my gosh.
That's really cool to canoe down.
Okay.
And then down Widgeon Creek, there's a hike you can do to go to a hidden lake.
Ooh, hidden lake. We have a hidden lake back at our cottage in Ontario, but we call it Secret Lake. Even though everybody who lives on the lake knows about Secret Lake, but we call it Secret Lake because we like to think it's a secret. Don't tell anybody.
Let's go for a walk.
Did I make that really confusing? Because I kind of started confusing myself partway through that sentence. To be. Hey baby. Why do I know that song? I've only listened to it once.
It's that addicting, it's stuck in your head.
We listened to a band and they were like the Backstreet Boys mixed with NSYNC, and they came out at the same time, but Backstreet Boys and NSYNC were like too overwhelming for them, so they didn't really get a big oomph like the Backstreet Boys and NSYNC did, but they're exactly the same. God. Like exactly the same, like did the same like beat and the same, they were singing where they like singing to their nose. Oh yeah baby. Emergency access. Wish we were climbing a mountain. Nope. We're climbing.
Yeah, we're gonna climb,
We're gonna climb a mountain. I want to go ziplining.
Yeah, okay.
Oh shit, when it's nice out, summer,
Yeah.
we need to go ziplining.
Okay.
Know what I mean? No, don't do that again. I'm talking to myself in third person.
Nice and crisp.
Crisp. It is. But this is Pit Lake. We should have carved our names into the wood. That way we're there for all eternity. Until this thing falls down. It just went down and touched the water. Woo. And it would definitely make your nipples stand on edge if you jumped down there. How am I doing for battery? Still good, still good. I blame the cold because it was full when we left. Yeah, see that guy's in shorts.
Is it a crow or a raven?
Ooh, good question. I don't know, maybe it's a craven. I don't know what you're craving, but I'm craving a raven. Oh, it's getting into some food. I don't know what you're craving, but I'm craving a raven. In Vancouver, a beautiful evening in Vancouver, a beautiful evening in Vancouver. So it's time for me to go home and play. Just kind of kept on. We keep going and going. You're like, oh, we got this one, and then everybody on the radio would be like, no, there's more. And then they would get those ones and be like, oh, that's the last one. And then you'd be like, oh, no, there's one more. And then the one more would turn into 30 more. And maybe another 30 more after that one. It's like, oh my god. Just fucking kill them. I'm so sick of that same old what? How's my battery going? Ooh, it's still flashing. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you can see me, and I will see you guys tomorrow as always. Have a great night. Peace out.